हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ आपकी टेक वो चलाती हूँ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक लाइफ सिंपलर एंड इजियर। आज हम करने वाले हैं एक छोटा सा इंटरव्यू चाय के बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ। यस, नो पॉइंट्स फॉर गेसिंग, राइट? वी विल ट्राई आउट सम कुकीज एंड आज की जो स्पेशल है वो नेचर्स बेकरी से है। सो वी हैव 3 फ्लेवर्स, फिग, raspberry and blueberry. So these are basically cookies with fillings, and obviously best goes with chai. So let's try the raspberry one first. तो इस पैकेट में 2 कुकीज आते हैं दिस साइज। It's nice and gooey. They use jam. I can feel that. And the sugar is from cane sugar, brown rice syrup, and apple juice. It has oats and wheat in it. I can feel figs in this as well. Oh, it's a fig bar. It's a fig with raspberry flavored bar. I guess now. Sorry. So this is the flavored one. So which means the original one is just the one with figs. Let's try that one. It looks pretty much the same. There is a very slight difference. The raspberry in the other one was very mild, but this is less sweeter because this doesn't have the raspberry jam. So for now, the original one wins. And the last one is the one with blueberry. I'm assuming this will have blueberry jam, which is right. So again, the same size. Looks pretty much the same. This for some reason tastes a little artificial. बहुत ही ज़्यादा जैम का फ्लेवर आ रहा है, रास्पबेरी में इतना नहीं आ रहा था, and it tastes a little artificial. So anyways, I've picked my best. The original one is the best, the one with the fig. Do try these and let me know how you like it. Please let me know in the comment box. And if you have any other cookies that you'd like me to try with chai, do let me know. Until next time, this is your best.